I am going to show you how you can build your first AI employee in under 5 minutes. The best part, it's free and super easy. My name is Love. I run Engage Growth, a company where we help service businesses implement AI to close more deals. But now I'm going to take you through a complete guide how you can implement and build your first AI employee in less than 5 minutes. Okay, so first things first, you wanna go to Google and go to botpress.com. Log. You're going to sign up, but if you have an account, you're going to log in. Then you're going to come into your workspace. You can hit create bot. It's going to load. And then once it loaded, you're going to be seeing this beautiful. So create new bot. I'm going to select other. Knowledge base. Here's where you can upload your files. You can upload file. You can add your website with URL and stuff like that. And also you can write your own text. I'm going to go to files. I have my knowledge base, and this is a full knowledge base about my business. I have just uploaded the file here. I dragged it, I dropped it, it's now uploaded. I can go to next. Define a custom behavior, knowledge base, files, URLs, create agent. Now it's going to load, we're going to wait, and in the meantime I can explain exactly what's going on. This is essentially going to be for me and for you guys who are also entrepreneurs, and this is going to be an internal bot. Basically, this bot knows my business, it has some information, and its job is going to be to basically be my advisor. I can ask it questions, I can be like, yo, so I have got this new customer, like how does it fit? Does it fit good according to my business model and stuff like that? But I can also be like, yo, this guy sent me this email, how do I respond? But we also do a lot of different stuff in my company. Basically, you can build like customer support chatbots, you can build outreach chatbot, like lead nurture, basically where you get a lead coming in and the bot will like guide them toward how to make a purchase or how to like schedule a sales call with you. So the possibilities are really endless, and this is just going to be a very simple example just to demonstrate the true potential of AI and how it can make a difference in your business. So here you can see that it had a pop-up, hello and welcome to Engage Growth. It gets a lot of questions. It gives me a few different options. So what does Engage Growth do? It gives me an answer. So Engage Growth is a hybrid AI automation and digital marketing agency founded to empower high-ticket service businesses. The company builds software development process during outreach to clients. Core service areas, automation, integration, digital infrastructure, and AI-driven marketing, but in development. See tiers about onboarding, all that stuff. Here we can see share, we can style it. So basically we can change, I like this like turquoise-ish color. Header, solid or gloss. I'm going to select solid. Messages, soft, solid, soft. I like the sans fonts always. Share, advanced settings. What we can also do is we can go back and then we can go to edit in studio. And this is where the true magic happens, where we can also like prompt our bot, add new flows, etc. So it's loading now. I'm going to see it once we're inside. We can go to workflows and here we can delete this and you can see that we have an autonomous node. So it basically have instruction pre-written. You can also see that we have search knowledge base function here. So basically we have our entire prompt up in here where we can see. And how it works is that it's called an AI wrapper or an LLM wrapper, which basically means that we run on OpenAI's ChatGPT model, but we have it wrapped essentially in our own customization. So it doesn't respond to everything that's on like the internet, but we have customized it on our data. So now I have one tool, which is search knowledge base. We can add multiple cards and we can even, since we're in Botpress, go to explore hub and we can see many different integrations. So maybe you want to connect AWS, Apollo, or one of my personal favorites that we have down here, Go High Level, very good. And you can see that you get custom action cards. For instance, create an appointment in Go High Level, and if you just connect it to the autonomous node, the AI is going to be able to do all of this like a real human employee. But what we're going to do is we're going to modify this prompt a bit. So as you can see, I modified the system instructions in the most tiny bit possible, but you can see here that the possibility is really endless. And once this is all done, you can just hit publish and you have your own AI agent ready to rock and roll.